Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Well, she lives in the fairy tale, somewhere too far for us to find. Forgotten the taste and smell of a world that she's left behind. It's all about the exposure, the lens that told her the angles are all. Now she's ripping wings off of butterflies. So one day he found her crying, coiled up on the dirty ground. Her friends finally came to save her, and the rest she can figure out. But it was a trick, and the clock struck 12. We'll make sure to build your own break, but and break, or the wolf's gonna blow
Can we
it
pretend
down.
that airplanes in the